everyone. When Andy plays tennis, 65% of his first serves go to the correct area of the court. Then if the first serve goes to the correct area, his chance of winning the point is 90%. If his first serve does not go into the correct area, Andy is allowed a second serve, and of these, 80% go into the correct area. If the second serve goes into the correct area, his chance of winning the point is 60%. If neither serve go to the correct area, Andy loses a point. So the first thing we want to do is answer some questions. We want to find the probability that the first serve does not go to the correct area and loses points, and find the probability that Andy wins. So we're going to fill out the tree diagram. Part of it's already filled out. Remember, these branches, when you have these two branches, these two numbers should always equal 1. So it's given that his first serve is going to be 90%. So 0.9. So this will be, remember, these two always have to add up to 1. So there you go there. Everything else is filled out for us given this information. Now, if neither serve goes to the correct area, Andy loses the point. So remember, all of these add up to 1. But if he loses both of these branches here, so if he goes out to the second serve, he loses, that's just 1, because there's no win on this branch. So these two branches equal 1, but since we only had one branch here, that's going to equal 1. So find the probability that the first serve does not go to the correct area and loses the points. So what's the probability of that? So let's look at the branches. So 65% means it does go. So 35%, or 0.35, it doesn't go. And then, so what you're going to write is that if it doesn't go, that's going to be 0.35 times 0.8, because you go to the second serve, and then we go to the third branch. So it's going to be 0.8 times 0.4 plus, and then we go to this branch. So we go here, and then the second serve goes this way, and then he loses here. So that would be 0.35 times 0.2 times 1. And when you put this in the calculator, you're going to get 0.182. Since these values here are given in decimals, you need to answer in decimals. All right. And finally, find the probability that Andy wins. So let's do that here. So I'm going to erase some of this stuff here. So the probability that he wins is going to go this way. Here's a win. And the other win is going to be here. So the first serve, he's out, but then he goes to the second serve and he wins. So here's your 2 wins. So when you're looking at your wins, just look at the branches of the tree and multiply. So that's going to be 0.65 times 0.9, or, remember, or means plus, you do these 3 branches of the tree. So you multiply 0.35 times 0.8 times 0.6 and that's going to be 0.75. And that's it for this problem. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.